In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in for CapCut, step by step, so you can make any clip fill more of the screen and create a clean, professional-looking zoom effect. This is a super useful trick for emphasizing a subject, removing empty space, or just making your edit feel more dynamic. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to your timeline. Find the video clip that you want to zoom in on, then click the clip once so it becomes selected. You want to make sure the clip is highlighted before changing any settings, because CapCut only applies the edit to the selected clip. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Video tab. This is where CapCut keeps the main clip adjustment controls, including things like transform, opacity, and other basic video settings. After that, select Basic from the available options. This is the section you need for simple zoom and sizing adjustments. Now scroll down until you see the Transform section. Inside Transform, you'll find the Scale setting. This is the control that changes how large the clip appears in the frame. To zoom in, increase the scale percentage. As you raise the number, your video will get larger and move closer into view, which creates that zoomed-in look. If the clip starts to look too cropped, just lower the percentage a little until it feels right. You can also adjust it gradually to get the exact amount of zoom you want. If you need to reposition the subject after zooming in, you can usually fine-tune the clip's placement so the most important part stays centered. That's especially helpful if your face, product, or main object moves off screen when the scale changes. The best part is that this method is quick, simple, and works great for beginners. You don't need any advanced effects or complicated keyframes just to zoom in on a clip. You just select the clip, go to Video, choose Basic, and increase the scale under Transform. Once you're happy with the zoom level, play the clip back and make sure it looks smooth and natural in your edit. If it does, you're good to go. And that's how you zoom in for CapCut. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.